Mother. Actually, I wanted to ask you for something too, may I?
Yes, tell me what is it?
I want to go somewhere. Not for long, just for one day to visit a friend. We haven't seen each other since the accident.
Yes, you can go. You don't need to ask me for permission.
Would you mind looking after my son?
Of course not. I would be happy to take care of him for you. When are you going?
Maybe tomorrow, or the day after tomorrow.
Well, how about we go to a beauty salon tomorrow? It will be fun.
A beauty salon? But why?
Look, honey, you are a young girl. Young girls go to salons and get nice haircuts. Don't say no, you are coming with me.
I don't know, it feels a bit unnecessary.
It will be good for you. You should treat yourself a little.
All right, if you insist.
Great. I will make an appointment right away.
Honey, I have to pay my college fees, so I need some money. Can you please give me some?
How much do you need?
Nothing much, just $2,000.
I will give it to you.
You are the best. So, when are you going to marry me?
Look, Lily, don't start again. I have told you, I hate marriage. I don't like that kind of commitment.
Why do you get so angry when I bring up marriage?
I don't trust girls anymore.
But I'm not like that. I love you so much.
Look, if you keep talking about marriage, I will stop coming here.
Oh honey, don't say that. Okay, I won't mention it again. Please don't be mad.
Good morning, I'm here with my daughter-in-law Rosa. I would like her to have a nice hairstyle today.
Good morning, ma'am. It's a pleasure to have you both here. We will make sure Rosa gets great service.
Thank you, she deserves a treat. She has been through a lot lately.
Of course, we will take good care of her. Rosa, what kind of hairstyle are you interested in today?
Oh, I'm not sure. Maybe something simple but elegant?
Got it, please come with me.
Go with her, Rosa. You are going to look stunning, I'm sure.
Thank you, Mother. I really appreciate this.
Rosa, you look absolutely stunning. I can't believe how beautiful your haircut turned out.
Thank you so much, Mother. I'm glad you like it.
Like it? I love it. You look like a movie star.
That's very kind of you to say. I'm just happy it turned out well.
You look more than just okay, dear. You are glowing, it's incredible.
Definitely. I feel like a new person.
Well, you certainly deserve it. After everything you have been through. It's nice to see you smiling again.
Thank you for bringing me here, Mother. It means a lot to me.
Oh, sweetheart, I'm happy to do it. Let's go to the shopping mall together, and I will buy you some nice clothes.
Thank you for everything.
Mother, Where did you go?
You tell me first, where were you last night? Why didn't you come home?
I went to my friend's house. I was too tired and fell asleep there.
Ethan, you can't just vanish like that without telling me where you are. I was really worried about you.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to worry you. I just lost track of time.
Well, next time, at least send a message or call.
I understand. It won't happen again.
Rosa, you must be tired, go to your room and rest. We will talk later.
Sure.
She looks even more beautiful, doesn't she?
Yes, but where did you go with her? You have a heart problem. You should stay home instead.
I took her to the beauty salon. She is a very nice and caring girl. I like her, honey.
Mom, you can't take risks with your health like this. You need to listen to the doctor's advice. Remember what happened last time you ignored the doctor's advice?
I understand you are worried, but I'm feeling okay. Going to the salon won't cause any harm.
Okay, fine. I'm going to the office. Have a nice day.
Mom.
Oh my dear, Lena!
How are you? What happened to you? Where is the baby? You have changed a lot.
Mom, just calm down. I will tell you everything. Let's go inside. Every day, I have to lie and make up stories. I can't handle it anymore. I'm so tired. Mike's mother treats me like a daughter. And I'm lying to her. I don't know how much longer I can keep pretending.
Lying is wrong. But think about me and your son. How will you manage everything without a husband? You need to think about what's best for you and the baby.
I know, Mom. But I don't want to hurt anyone, especially Mike's family. She has been so kind to me.
But why didn't you tell me earlier?
I didn't want to worry you.
Did Jeff call you? Where did he disappear?
No. He blocked my number. Maybe he found someone else.
Don't worry, my dear, you are not alone in this.
Mom. I can't stay here too long. I have to go.